Welcome to Let's Know. Today we will see top 15 most populated states in India. These rankings are according to the 2011 census. At number 15 is Assam. Assam is located in the northeast part of India. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The language spoken in Assam is Assamese. The population of Assam is 3 crore 12 lakhs or 31 million. At number 14 is Jharkhand. Jharkhand is located in the eastern part of India. Its capital is Ranchi. Languages spoken in Jharkhand are Hindi. The population of Jharkhand is 3 crores 29 lakhs or 32 million. At number 13 is Kerala. Kerala is located in southern part of India. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. The language spoken in Kerala is Malayalam. The population of Kerala is 3 crores 34 lakhs or 33 million. At number 12 is Telangana. Telangana is located in the southern part of India. Its capital is Hyderabad. The language spoken in Telangana are Telugu and Urdu. The population of Telangana is 3 crore 50 lakh or 35 million. At number 11 is Odisha. Odisha is located in the eastern part of India. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. The language spoken in Odisha is Odia. The population of Odisha is 4 crore 19 lakh or 41 million. At number 10 is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is located in the southern part of India. Its capital is Amravati. The language spoken in Andhra Pradesh is Telugu. The population of Andhra Pradesh is 4 crore 95 lakh or 49 million. At number 9 is Gujarat. Gujarat is located in the western part of India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. The language spoken in Gujarat is Gujarati. The population of Gujarat is 6 crore 4 lakh or 60 million. At number 8 is Karnataka. Karnataka is located in the southern part of India. Its capital is Bangalore. The language spoken in Karnataka is Kannada. The population of Karnataka is 6 crore 10 lakh or 61 million. At number 7 is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is located in the northern part of India. Its capital is Jaipur. The language spoken in Rajasthan is Hindi. The population of Rajasthan is 6 crore 80 lakh or 68 million. At number 6 is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is located in the southern part of India. Its capital is Chennai. The language spoken in Tamil Nadu is Tamil. The population of Tamil Nadu is 7 crore 21 lakhs or 72.1 million. At number 5 is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is located in the central part of India. Its capital is Bhopal. The language spoken here is Hindi. The population of Madhya Pradesh is 7 crore 26 lakhs or 72.6 million. At number 4 is West Bengal. West Bengal is located in the eastern part of India. Its capital is Kolkata. The language spoken in West Bengal is Bengali. The population of West Bengal is 9 crore 12 lakh or 91 million. At number 3 is Bihar. Bihar is located in the eastern part of India. Its capital is Patna. The language spoken in Bihar is Hindi. The population of Bihar is 10 crore or 104 million. At number 2 is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is located in the western part of India. Its capital is Mumbai. The language spoken here is Marathi. Maharashtra has a population of 11 crore 23 lakh or 112 million. And the most populated state in India is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is located in the northern part of India. Its capital is Lucknow. The language spoken in Uttar Pradesh is Hindi. The population of Uttar Pradesh is 19 crore 98 lakh or 199 million. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, then please subscribe to this channel by clicking on my icon. Also tell in comment about our new logo.